if you are starting as a fresher, as a beginner into the US stock market, one of the coolest and easiest places to start from are the ETFs. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you what ETFs are, how they are useful for beginners, and the ETF stocks that you can actually start investing in today. And of course, I'm going to show you a couple of things you need to know before delving into ETF. One thing you need to know about ETF is that you are not directly owning the companies. You are just owning the fund that have these stocks. So another thing you need to understand about building your portfolio is how can I generate cash flow and leverage. That is where ETF comes to play. It gives you a leverage, it gives you cash flow. But ETFs will not make you as much money as individual stocks, because I need you to know when we start doing the comparison, you understand that cash flow and leverage, ETF stands a better chance. But if you are strategic and you utilize cash flow, some individual stocks, ETFs, and create a diversified portfolio, it will be amazing. Understanding these two things will help you a lot in your financial journey. How to get money, making sure that money is coming into your account, and of course, how to leverage. ETFs are a perfect leverage. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what? We just crossed 3,000 amazing VIP special subscribers. Thank you so much for all the times you've watched my video, you've learned, you've shared the video, you've dropped a comment, you've liked. I love you. Thank you so much. So please do not skip any part of this video. Watch this video to the end. Why? This video actually came as a demand. Someone wrote it for me that I should discuss ETFs. I didn't remember. And then someone recently also mentioned it. And I said, oh, wow, I'm going to definitely do this video. So watch this video to the end. Drop a comment. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. This channel is an amazing educational channel that is going to help you to show you ways to make your money work for you. So if you're ready, let's start talking about ETFs. Now, ETFs are investment funds holding a basket of securities. It could be stocks, it could be bonds, it could be gold, it could be silver, it could be anything. But they trade on the exchange the same way Apple stocks, Nvidia, Google, Tesla, and all others trade. Now, like I said before, when you're investing in ETFs, you do not own any company. You know, if I'm buying shares in Tesla or Apple, I co-own Apple company, meaning anytime Apple is making money, I'm also making money. But when you're investing in ETF, we are investing into a fund, the fund that is holding these stocks. Do you understand this? So let me break it down for you. Imagine going into a store and you meet one of your favorite aunties, and you are walking down to buy a chocolate bar, and your aunt says, I would like to pay for this chocolate bar. Would you want to pick just this one that has one flavor? Or would you rather go for the box that has all these cute, amazing taste and flavors? Tell me, which one would you go for? I know you would definitely go for the box of chocolate, because see, this one has just one taste. So you lick it and you're like, after eating it, you're like, okay, dark chocolate, maybe vanilla flavored. But here, you may just see like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, caramel, and all of these combinations. So this is where ETF comes to play. So instead of investing in Apple or Tesla, you now invest in a stock that has both Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Palantir, Microsoft, Google, all in one. Now, what are they exposed to? You will see ETFs that are into AI stocks. So you see a basket like this box, but all the stocks inside this box are all AI stocks. Or you get the one that are all involved in energy. So you when you think of ExxonMobil, Constellation Energy, all the energy stocks are all in one. Or S&P 500, meaning the top and the best 500 companies in America are all in one basket, giving you that leverage. Or maybe the ones exposed to tech, all the tech stocks. It could actually be healthcare, Pfizer, um, Pfizer. What are the big companies in the US? I almost forgot. So, but just remember that all the healthcare companies that you can remember, Pfizer, Swiffer, GSK, all these company stocks are all together in one. So that's what it means. So there's no more picking of stocks. All you need to do is just pick one that has everything. So you are confused whether you should buy Tesla or Nvidia or Microsoft or Google or Apple or Amazon, and you now find one stock, one pack that has the entire stocks you are craving for, you now go for it. So I call it set it and go, because once you set it, you just let it go. So this particular video is for people who feel, I don't have time to start studying one stock. Let me go and study Tesla and know when to buy. You can just buy ETF and go and sleep. And of course, you earn on their average return, because the volatility there does not move so much, because at every given point in that basket, maybe three are not doing well, the remaining seven are doing well. So the seven will now cover up for the three that are not doing well. Do you understand? So the volatility is not as much as sometimes you have a stock that drops like 40%, 50%, because maybe the sector is not doing well. And a clear example is the crypto sector. Crypto stocks are not doing well right now. Crypto has dropped too. Bitcoin has dropped. Ethereum has dropped. All the crypto, even the miners. So imagine buying a basket of cryptocurrency. So, but one thing that you also need to know is that you're going to be paying expense fee, because these are professionally managed funds. So someone is taking care of picking all the stocks. And when they pick all the stocks, they put everything in one. Of course, like I said before, less volatility. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is I want to show you how some of the ETFs have performed the last 5 years. S&P 500 is the one that tracks the top best 500 stocks in America. So they returned 83% in the last 5 years. You know, when I said that they don't fly, they don't explode, they just return gradually. So if you're the kind of person who is on the low risk area, you can conveniently do this. But of course, it will take you a long time to retire with that amount you have in mind. XLE is the one that tracks the energy stocks. It returned 148%. QQQ tracks the tech stocks alongside with VGT, but VGT tracks more of information tech stocks. QQQ returned 95% in 5 years. So VGT 111, meaning it was doing about 20% every year. AIQ, this one is tracking the artificial intelligence stocks. GLD tracks gold. So you can see that in the last 5 years, gold seemed to do the best. That's because since last year, gold did an amazing leap. So before now, gold was not really doing well. Of course, as I said, stocks go up and come down. That is volatility, and you have to actually embrace it, because that's how stock market works. So even the ETFs also drop. Now, let me tell you about our VIP 8.0. And of course, I'm going to share with you why you need to join the community at the end of this video. This person said, my profit for yesterday, she made $50 yesterday. And she says, I'm grateful to you. I am also very happy. Thank you so much. And I was so happy for her, because she's actually making her money work for her. So consider joining our 8.0. Now, don't buy ETFs blindly. There are 5 things I think you should know before buying your ETFs. The first thing you need to know is the ETF exposure. The ETF you're buying, you need to know, am I buying ETFs in healthcare? Am I buying ETFs in AI? Am I buying ETFs in energy stocks? So you must know the one you're buying. The easiest way is to pick the best 500 companies in America. That's like the best. Is either you're buying VOO or SPY. Now, the dividend payout, some of them pay dividends. In fact, most of them, if not all of them, pay dividends. You also need to know how much are this company going to pay me in dividends. Some of them pay 3%, some pay 1%, some pay 5%, 4%. You need to know. There are ways for you to check out how they pay dividends and how much they pay out, and when they pay and when you qualify. These are some of the things I teach in the community, showing you how to get all this information. So there's a recorded video you just need to watch. Of course, you need to know how much am I paying per year if they're going to manage this fund for me. Some will tell you they're going to collect 0.03% of your money So if you're investing $1,000, just check 0.03%. How much are you going to invest every month? That one is for you. How much is it that you need to invest every single month? And you start from $10 and move up. Rebalancing, of course, there is something called rebalancing in ETF. Sometimes the ETFs will remove some stocks that are not doing well and bring in some others and try to balance their portfolio. So usually happens. Sometimes they increase the quantity of a certain stock and reduce some other ones. You need to know all this information. Of course, before I give you the list of the ones you should look out for and buy today, these are from my personal research and views and experience. So make sure you do your own research when I give you the list. This is for educational purposes. If you want to learn the ones we use, please join the community. So these are the ETFs. I actually wanted to do 3, but at the end I gave 6. So IWF is focused on growth stock. It's actually owned by BlackRock, one of the biggest asset managers in the world. This is a favorite. S&P 500 SPY is tracking the best 500. So you see these two are where I see beginners get into. Then VGT and QQQ, they're actually tracking tech stocks or the information technology stocks. So you can take a screenshot of this page and then go and do more research on them before you start buying. BOTZ, this one is tracking AI and robotics. And of course, you know, AI is the future. So if you are the kind of person who is a moderate or an aggressive person, but you are still on the low risk end, you can invest in this one because they are making waves. IDGT, AI infrastructure, data centers, energy, setup of AI infrastructure, both on the land, in the space. That's where you find them. GLD, the one that tracks gold. So these are my favorite 6 you can actually start with. Now, why do you need to join my community? I will tell you. The first thing is that I teach you how to use ETFs to build wealth. Sometimes people think ETFs are just for slow profits and growth return. There are ETFs that are doing very well. Actually, there are some ETFs we bought at $12 and it ran to $70 in last year. There are also actually others that we bought at $20 that are currently at $70. So you see that you can actually use ETFs when you are picking the right one. We also have the leveraged ETFs. There are so many ways if you understand ETF. Of course, you also get my top 10 ETFs that are going to return 50 to 120% in the next 12 months. You actually can do it in less or hit it in 12 months. So these are some of the things, and these ones I did not even mention them here. Those are the ones that the people in my community are getting, and I give them their upside potential, give them all the information they need to know about it, and they can add it. I do all the hard work for them. I do all the research and I give them the list. So of course, this is one of the reasons why joining the 8.0, because very soon the prices are going to be going higher. So don't say that you are here, oh, this time around is still 50,000. The link to pay is the first link in the description of this video. Click on it and move straight and join the community. You learn first, you practice, you earn. We have started 8.0. All you need to do is to catch up, and I'm going to personally run you through the catch up. Can you imagine? I'm going to be giving you one-on-one access. That is why you need to join our community. It is worth every penny, every amount of money you pay. And of course, I wrote this book called the 1 Billion Wealth Plan. This is a lazy, simple way that you can use to build 1 billion naira before age 65. This will be awesome if you're still in your 20s. And this book is just 2,000 naira. This is one book you need to buy and make sure you read it. I'm actually thinking of making a physical copy, but I don't know exactly when, but I'm going to do that and it will be for sale and you can deliver to you. And I'm going to add a lot of things. So did you enjoy today's lesson on ETFs for beginners? This is one simple way that you can actually make a lot of money work for you. Your capital will be growing and you can sleep well at night without having to panic what is going on and all of that. So make sure you understand some of the things. Watch this video again, and of course, give this video a like. Share this video. Watch it again. Make some notes. Write down. Do your research. And of course, I cannot wait to celebrate your wins. The most important thing for me is that you are learning, you're getting your feet into investing, and you are making some money. So see you in tomorrow's video. I've not figured out what to do, but I'll surely put it